Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate AI voice for free. So if you want to turn text into a realistic AI voice for free, no subscription, no paid tools, just quick and easy steps, let's go. Because in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use a free AI voice generator to create natural sounding voices for YouTube, TikTok, or presentations. So first, you can go to this l11labs.io. You don't need to pay or even create an account on most of these tools. And then you can just type or paste your script into this text box. For example, here I'm going to just use this text from the example. And you need to keep the sentences short for the most natural flow. And if you want to like effects like this one, giggles or whispers, you can use this bracket like this. And then here you can just select the voice and style. So you can pick your AI voice. You can choose the accent, languages, or even emotions depending on the tool. For example, in here you can change the language and you can also change the speaker. And in here you can preview it first by clicking on display options. And let's see this part. As you guys can see, there will be giggles. And let's do this one. It's whispering now, so it depends on the effects that you want. If you want to change the voice, you can just choose from here. And if you want to download the result, just click on this arrow down to download it. So after that, you can just import the audio into your video editor, presentation, or social media content. And that's how you can generate AI voices for free, easy and fast. And if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.